Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You need to confirm a few essentials before changing anything. Make sure your phone supports 5G and your Geo SIM is 5G capable, otherwise activation won't stick. Once done, open the updated My Geo app and sign in with your Geo number. You'll receive an OTP to verify identity. Make sure your plan includes 5G or purchase the add-on now. Doing these steps first prevents wasted time and avoids back-end activation delays when you request network enablement. Now you'll perform the app-based activation. In My Geo, go to Services or Manage Services and locate the 5G activation or 5G preview tile. Tap it to start. The app checks your SIM and plan automatically. Follow the prompts to confirm your number and accept any terms. If the app asks to schedule activation or requests SIM swap, follow those instructions. Make sure to allow any app permissions. This lets My Geo validate device compatibility and queue the network change with Geo's provisioning system. Finish by rebooting the device so carrier settings apply. Then open Settings right arrow Mobile Network and set preferred network to 5G or 5G/4G. Some phones enable automatically. Once restarted, watch for the 5G indicator and run a quick speed test to confirm higher throughput. If you don't see 5G, try switching the SIM to the primary slot, toggle airplane mode, and recheck. If problems persist, contact Geo support from the app. Mention your activation attempt so they can reprovision your line.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.